Hi, I'm Kyle from the BitJoy.com. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install and activate your BitJoy eSIM. Before you start, make sure you have your phone, Wi-Fi, and your BitJoy activation email ready. It's best to install your eSIM before you travel, while you still have reliable Wi-Fi. Open the activation email from BitJoy. You can scan the QR code and follow the steps on your phone. Or click here to install in the email. This opens your BitJoy installation page. On that page, go to Install Your eSIM. Choose your device, like iOS or Android, and follow the steps. You can also use the same page to check your data usage and top up during your trip. Just make sure you top up before data runs out, because once the eSIM has no data left, it may no longer be available for top-up. Once installed, name it something simple, like BitJoy eSIM. When you arrive, open Settings on your phone. Go to the section where you manage SIMs, mobile service, or mobile networks. Turn on your BitJoy eSIM, set it as your mobile data line, and switch on data roaming for this eSIM. Give it a minute to connect. If it doesn't connect, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off again. That's it. You're ready to stay connected with BitJoy.